Hey guys, we're here now at the Seaside Esplanade Terminal. We're going to Camaya Coast in Mariveles, Bataan. So, departure natin on board at around 10 a.m. So, we'll see kung ano meron doon. I'll just take you around later.
Say it again, say it again. You're saying you're sorry, so say it again. Only you can make my world go black. Say you love me, then you take it back. Say it again, say it again. You want my forgiveness, so say it again. You're my thunder of my darkest night. You just can't go back and make it right. 'Cause it's too late, your time is up. Damage done and now it's stuck. 'Cause it's too late, you roll the dice, and now you have to pay the price. Yeah, I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. Say it again, say it again. You're saying you feel bad, so say it again. Only you can do that. My heart was open wide. I could feel it breaking deep inside. 'Cause it's too late, your time is up. Damage done and now we're stuck. 'Cause it's too late, you roll the dice, and now you have to pay the price. Oh, I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now.
So there you go guys, we're here at the Camaya Coast. There, sunset is there. Start na po yung sunset. We're here at Camaya Coast. So 7 p.m. pa yung balik namin sa Manila. Currently now in Station 1 of Camaya Coast, and then under development na yung Station 2 nila, which is around 15 minutes yung ferry boat na ride namin kanina. So going here from Mall of Asia, this is around 1 hour and 15 minutes via ferry boat ng Camaya Coast. And then if magla-land travel kayo, it's around 4 to 5 hours. So Camaya Coast is located in Mariveles, Bataan. Free lang yung pagpunta dito kasi yung agent is ang sadya po talaga nila is to introduce the Camaya Coast, and then property selling na rin sila. And then later on, sabi ng agent, pagkakaroon daw dito ng Camaya Mall and some other development. So
Pusha can rock the flock around the clock non-stop as I would tell ya.
Music is the vibe, so open up your eyes. Time is running out, so find the feeling. So find the feeling.
Diggy 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 bong diggy bong.
Music is the vibe, so open up your eyes.
If you haven't subscribed on my channel, please subscribe now and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated on our latest uploads. So, that's all for now guys, and see you on our next video. Bye!